This is the end of the clearing. That house was in the woods, so just found the house, cleared everything for the driveway and the yard. Alright, so bulldozer's loaded and this lot is cleared. There was a house inside. I mentioned it before. So, lot must have been left for a long time without anybody in the house. As you can see, the house was covered with trees everywhere around them, and not a single tree got on the house, so that was kind of nice. Not while I was taking them down. So, getting ready to head out. One day. What a transformation. Incredible. I'm gonna drop your phone down there. All the trees are pushed down into the woods over here. That's it.